Tutong KSO General Headquarter Assembly hi All India KSO Pumpi ho Matibol in city branch like Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kerala, Northeast Langa Sedingang chu Assam, Nagaland, Manipur Sungalong chu district branch usi ho ma KSO leaders ni 150 plus delegates ke khop ma dimun a hi in che Leimakong Hill Town na om de hin Leimakong Hill Town committee ho ta ki tho a tin na to achal thajin che assembly hi 30 jini ko le flag hoisting hin tin that 31 to that one hi main day assembly min tin that to hi departure hi ding a he
amon he hichlai Leimakong Hill Town Christian Center Church auditorium hall hong ding he hichlai hi didan he amon he guys amon ding he hol sung he khat hin kaming katin tai he nunga ho phad na tong laivin hichlai mon he hong hi de hin na che he like silo le stage munding cho hitan to he na to achi zum lai he nunga ni na sata e ho pupa beng ho kamtin dana bo do hin is lai hi amuni ai auditorium hall mo ning me de he chung nang khu ga be ho tin guys ai mon yang gite hin tol sung nunga gol thang ho mi pabet min jong na tong na layovin na to hi zodi kon cha hitan ichlai mon a he tu chung All Indian Pumpi a KSO ho makai na noya General Assembly ichlai mon a he ding he amun arhang lam kai ho zo se jong thanom ta hang gi so kai dewin ga ki ti mo be